Hey folks, Rachana Ranade here, and I welcome you all to a during market hours live stream. Today, the markets have continued their downfall, but towards the end, we are seeing some good recovery as well. So, what I'm going to do, actually, if you have seen my yesterday's live stream, I had discussed about a possible 1,000 points downfall from yesterday's closing, and out of that 1,000 points that I had discussed yesterday. Today itself, we saw almost Nifty crashing by 300 plus points. So I just thought that I will do this as a super short live stream, not nothing more than 10 to 12 minutes, wherein I would want to discuss that what are the key points that I covered yesterday, because the yesterday's live stream was almost 1 hour long. I'm just going to cover 2 3 key points which I discussed yesterday. What have I done today? Have I bought anything? Have I sold anything? Is what I'm going to discuss towards the end of the stream. So just next 10 to 12 minutes are really crucial. Do we need to panic? Where are we headed? Everything is what I'm going to discuss right now. So like you can see my screen, yesterday also I've discussed this. Is a head and shoulder pattern triggered here? Answer is yes. So I'm going to quickly draw this. This is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this is like the right shoulder. Okay, now during the previous Thursday live stream, was this head and shoulder pattern triggered? Answer is yes. I'm just going to zoom this in. Was it triggered? Answer is yes. This was last Thursday, but I did not convincingly say yes because there was no follow-up candle, and it did not happen as well. Next day was green. Here again, it was a very cut to cut situation, and almost this was on Tuesday. We saw a big fall, almost again 1% plus fall. Next day confirmation, instead of that, it was like not pretty much, it was not showing strength. It was like a confusing candle. There was a good amount of selling from the top. So that was one point. Yesterday was like a doji, and today the fall has continued. But the point is also that we have also recovered quite a bit from the day low. We have recovered more than 125 points, which is kind of a good sign, right? Uh, Now, first and foremost, what we always see is that what is the price target. So typically for Nifty, the first target which generally is met if a head and shoulder pattern is triggered is this target, the right shoulder ka distance. Okay, has this already been met? Yes. Now the second big target could be the height from the top till the neckline. Okay, I'm going to just delete this and I will just copy this here. Sorry. So if I were to take it here, it is almost coming to 23,300. So still almost a 900 points possible fall. But is it going to be just a straight downfall? I don't think so. Now, now that 23,300 is important, what is super important right now is the previous swing low. So this is going to act as a very good support. 23,900, you can note this down. 23,900 plus 24,000 is a very good psychological support. And the third important point, 150 dema is at 23,954 again. So I hope this is very clear. 23,900 to 24,000, this is a very, very, very strong range within which ideally market should see its first support. And if not, then the point that I discussed, even we have a support, a visual support here, the point that I was mentioning, 23,300, and also that is the head and shoulder pattern target. Okay, so two levels that you need to check out for. One is 24,000, 23,900, 24,000. Second one is this 23,900 based on the previous kind of a consolidation here plus the head and shoulder pattern. Now, what is the problem? What do we need to understand right now? First, some key points I would want to tell you. The first and foremost point is about the FII selling. Till yesterday, this figure had gone to almost 97,000. Just give me a second. Yeah, it's not happening. Okay, 1 minute. I'll just Google it out. Money control FII data. So you'll be able to see how much has the FII sold till now. 97,000 crores worth of stocks sold. Yesterday in my live stream, I said there's a great chance that the 1 lakh crore number may be crossed, and I'm sure today they have sold easily more than 3,000 crores because of today's fall. I'm guessing that. So today itself, I'm sure this number is going to go beyond 1 lakh crores. Okay. Now, what are the 2-3 important points that we must understand? Are FIs selling? Yes. Is this like a bear market? No. Anything between 5 to 10% is just a pullback. Are we still in a pullback? Yes. And if this pullback, if we are not falling beyond, I mean below 10%, typically within 1 month, pullbacks last typically for a month, and it takes another month to go back to original levels. Okay, so currently we are still in this pullback phase. If it corrects beyond 10% to 20%, it could mean a correction which takes a longer time, 3 to 4 months, and similar time to bounce back. And if it goes beyond 20%, we say it's a bear market, which could last for a year, which could last for a year or two, and it can take that much similar time to actually come back to original levels. Okay, now when have we seen such bear market crashes? Because 1 to 2 years can be a bigger time frame, that can be a panic situation. These are the four famous crashes of comparatively, I mean, or I can say, well, comparatively famous or well-known crashes. Harshadmehta.com, bubble, housing bubble, COVID. Are we even close to such a situation right now? Answer is no. We are nowhere even close to such a situation. Nothing big has happened. Are our quarterly results coming like average-ish? Yes. Are FIIs finding Chinese market more lucrative as compared to ours? Yes. But there is no fraud or nothing big per se which has happened. Kind of an overvaluation, yes. Okay, so I don't see it going to 20%. I ideally feel it should be restricted to something less than 10%. And even if this target were to be reached, then from the highest point from here to here, it is coming to around 11.22%. Okay, see definitions here and there, 10%, 11%, that is okay. So that is ultimately coming to 11%. So is there, I mean, is that a big of a worry, something like this? I don't feel so. It's not something like this. Okay, so it should not create a very big panic situation. What I've told right now is I've told about the lowest possible price as per the current data available, which is 23,300. But I'm going to come up with another video in the coming week wherein I'm going to talk about, can Nifty reach 30,000 in a span of 1 year? Maybe can it go close to that? Maybe a year, maybe a period of 2 years upward. Can this be possible? So let us see whether some good news can come up in the next month itself. So I'll back that up with some data point. Historically, November has not been bad at all. It has been good. In the year 23 alone, Nifty went up by 5.5%. November 22, Nifty went up by 4%. In 2020, went up by 11%. 2019 went up by 1.5%. Only one bad year, 3.9% in 2021. What about US? In US also, November has been great. 2023, almost 9%, 5%. 2020, 11% almost. This is again 3% almost. Only 21 was like minus 1% के आसपास. So I don't think there is a need to panic right now. No need to press the panic button. What have I done is what I'm going to tell you. But before I tell that, this Diwali, I would request everyone to prioritize learning over spending. We have come up with 2 special coupon codes for our website, RachanaRanade.com. You can use the coupon code Diwali and enroll for any of the single courses. You can use the package discount coupon code, which is RR combo. If you were to learn something from scratch, 3 courses: basics of stock market, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis. These 3 courses, and you're set to take your own decisions. Okay, you will be able to understand which is a fundamentally strong stock. Is this a good time to enter or not? Is this a good time to exit or not? Why these courses become way more important right now? Because if you want to hold on to your positions with conviction, ideally you should have done your own research. And if you want to do your own research, how to do that is what exactly I've taught in this course. So I would definitely request everyone to check out our courses. Link will be there given in the description box, and also don't forget to use these coupon codes while you enroll. What have I done today is the last point that I'm going to tell you. I have invested 1/3 of the total amount that I was going to invest. So whatever is the amount is not important. Whatever I was going to invest, I have invested 1/3 amount today. Okay, not even 1/5. Okay, my first 1/3 installment has been invested today. Where have I put it? I've put it primarily in Nifty Bs. Okay, because I believe that I know the downside. I would want to invest 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, and I am very positive about the market. I don't feel that this is going to be a big disaster or something like that. Ideally, I mean, there should be some sort of reversal is what I am betting on. So no need to worry. This live stream was just for you all to tell that Diwali is going to be great. बड़े बड़े देशों में छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है. Some corrections, some pullbacks are though very much normal, so don't panic at all. Have faith in your own study, have faith in your own research. Could there be some more downfall? Answer is yes, but no need to worry. It is said that majority wealth is made when you are strong enough, when you are bold enough to take decisions during market downfalls. If you want to accelerate the pace at which you want to achieve your financial freedom, this is the right time. Okay, so anyone who is doing your own research, this is the right time. Don't panic. Be it in small chunks, but keep on investing. Don't pull out your money. ऐसे कुछ मतलब in Marathi we say पहाड़ काही म्हणजे असं काही आभाळ कोसळलं नाहीये. Nothing terrible per se has happened. So keep calm, keep investing in small chunks and bits and pieces. Okay, and I'm sure those who keep invested during these downfalls, they should be able to see, like maybe just 1 year down the line, 1.5 year down the line, you'll be like, why did I even panic at that time? I mean, we are just fine now. Okay, so it's said that you never lose anything during such times. In fact, you gain a lot of experience during such times. So yes, keep on learning, keep on investing. Important links are there in the pinned comment in the description box. Would quickly welcome all the 3 members, Ankur, Ashwin, and Night Creations. Happy Diwali to everyone in advance. And next week, Nifty at 30,000 video coming soon. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Jai Hind and bye-bye.